you are already aware of your existing LinkedIn habits. Are they effectively generating new business consistently? Or do you find yourself trapped in the ever-updating feed, scrolling haphazardly and hitting the like button on appealing content? Are your LinkedIn strategies paving the way to your desired success? It's time to stop aimlessly scrolling through your feed. Instead, consciously define your goal for each LinkedIn session. Unintentional habits can govern you, or flip this dynamic and take the reins of your habits to drive your success. Use these 5 goal-oriented strategies to help you create an effective daily routine, otherwise known as habit, for your LinkedIn activity that will meet your goals. Before diving into the 5 goals, there are 2 non-negotiables that you need to do each day that you are on LinkedIn. Check your notifications tab and add comments or replies as needed. Check your direct messages and reply. The top 5 goals for being on LinkedIn are gaining new clients, amplifying brand awareness, establishing thought leadership, advancing your career, and expanding your LinkedIn network. I've outlined 5 strategies to help you realize each of these goals. First, schedule your LinkedIn time on your calendar and use the recurring feature to keep you consistent. You do not have to be on LinkedIn every day if that doesn't work for you. The most important thing is consistency. Choose a specific goal for each session and stay focused on that goal. Identify these goals on your calendar so that you are rotating your strategies. Now I've got 3 sample strategies to help you meet each goal. You can customize each one to match your workflow. Goal number 1, gaining new clients. First up, optimize that profile. Next strategy, search for and connect with your ideal clients. Now, search for and engage with targeted content. Goal number 2, increasing brand awareness. First up, host regular LinkedIn Live events. Create a LinkedIn newsletter. Consistently post brand and industry-related content. Goal number 3, establishing thought leadership. One great way to establish thought leadership is to co-create content with industry leaders and influencers. You can do this with webinars, LinkedIn audio events, Q&A events, and more. And engage in industry discussions through LinkedIn groups and their relevant posts. Create engaging visual content such as infographics and carousels to position yourself as the go-to expert. Goal number 4, career advancement. Request recommendations from other LinkedIn users. And here's a pro tip. Let them know the type of recommendation you are seeking from them to make it easier on them to give you one. Share industry trends that match your expertise. Highlight your experience for recruiters and companies with LinkedIn's Demonstrate Skills feature on your profile. Goal number 5, expanding your LinkedIn network. Personalize your connection requests with a meaningful note. Line your connections to find folks you want to invite into your network. And by the way, there's a YouTube short on this. Research, join, and participate in relevant groups. This list is far from exhaustive when it comes to strategies to get the results you are seeking. Want help implementing these goals and strategies for your business? Join the LinkedIn GPS cohort, helping you to reach your goals with the right guidance exactly when you need it, with on-demand library, a Slack channel, LinkedIn masterclasses, monthly office hours, and more. I will personally walk you through every step to building your powerful LinkedIn presence that converts ideal prospects into actual clients. For more information, click on the links in the description or just reach out to me on LinkedIn.